If you are feeling stressed or anxious, then this is the class for you. This other class may help as well, where I go through a bunch of my favorite breathing techniques to help with stress and anxiety. Now you're going to start coming into any comfortable position. Maybe you're lying down, maybe you're seated like me, grab some blocks or pillows, or perhaps you want to come into child's pose. Whatever feels right for you in this moment, and your hands, they can be whatever you want them to be. Now we're going to do a breathing exercise before we do the little flow, and it's this 4-6 breath. In for a count of 4, out for a count of 6. If my speed is wrong for you, then all I want you to do is focus on bringing the exhale longer than the inhale. Breathing in and out through the nose if you can, or in through the nose, out through the mouth if that's better for you. Now wherever you are, close your eyes. Find some length through the spine. Just grow tall through the crown of your head. Exhale to prepare. Breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring the breath back to a natural rhythm. Perhaps try and keep that exhale extended to try and calm the body, bring us into a parasympathetic state, our rest and digest. You're going to blink the eyes open. Now if you're lying down or you're in child's pose, you're going to come to a comfortable seated position, grab pillows or blocks if you need. And then we're going to inhale, we're going to open the heart. Arms can be how they need to be. And as you exhale, you're going to tuck the chin round the back and imagine you're hugging a great big beach ball. 4 more times just like that. Inhale. Exhale round. Inhale. Breathe in, feel the sensations within the body. Feel the sit bones on the floor or the chair. Inhale. Exhale. Last time, breathe in and breathing out. As you inhale, bring your arms up towards the sky. And as you exhale, take a twist over towards your right. Your left hand meets your right knee, your right fingertips or hand comes down behind you. As you inhale, grow tall through your spine, reach the crown of the head towards the sky. And as you exhale, slightly gaze over that right shoulder. Breathing in, breathing out, find that rotation. Now maybe it feels good to reach those fingers back. Take a big breath in, and then as you exhale, you're going to draw a great big rainbow over your body, super, super slowly. Your fingertips are reaching just as they're trying to grab something just out of reach. You're coming all the way over. Feel the sensation through your back, your arms, your shoulders, until finally right hand meets left knee, head bows down, take a little sway from side to side. Inhale brings you up. Give yourself a hug, take opposite shoulders, and then you're going to draw infinity signs or knocked over figures of 8 with your elbows, but you're not moving your elbows, you're using your upper back. Hopefully feels like a nice release. You're going to switch directions now. For another 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, reach the arms all the way up. And then exhale, we're simply going to switch it out. Right hand, left knee, left hand behind you. Inhale, grow tall. Exhale and twist, gazing over that left shoulder. Breathing in, crown of head to sky. Breathing out, rotate. One more time, inhale. Exhale. Then reach the fingers back. Inhale as you grow tall. Exhale, draw that great big rainbow over your body, the biggest arc you can, paying attention to your breath, paying attention to the sensations within the body. Until finally, hand meets knee, head bows down, take a sway from side to side. Coming up through center, grabbing hold of either elbow, give yourself a hug. Knocked over infinity signs, knocked over figures of eights, side to side, moving from your upper back. If you've never done this before, it can feel a little bit strange, but hopefully it also feels yummy in the body. You're going to switch directions now. 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, left hand to mat, right arm over. Take a side stretch. Doesn't matter how big, how small. I just want you to notice how this feels in your body. Ground through the sit bones, breathe into the side body. And if your focus has gone away from your breath, can you bring it back to the breath now? Inhaling up, exhaling down. Last time, inhale, exhale. Breathing in and breathing out. Now inhale brings you through center. If you're cross-legged like me, you're going to switch the cross in your legs. One final pose, and we're going to come back to that 4-6 breath one last time. We're going to take a fold over our legs. It doesn't matter what it looks like. Please just tune in to how it feels in your body. Keep your spine nice and long. Close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. And start to fold forward over the legs. Keeping the spine nice and long. Keeping the sit bones grounded. Now breathe in through the nose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale brings you up to center. Keep the eyes closed if you can. Hands come to your heart, hands in prayer. Start to rub the palms together as you take a big breath in. Exhale, bring that heat onto your heart and set an intention for the rest of your day. As you walk off the mat, can you show yourself the love and kindness you would give a friend if they came to you and said to you, I'm feeling stressed or I'm feeling anxious? Because sometimes we can be harsh to ourselves. So let's set an intention of love to ourselves. Now blink the eyes open. I'm so happy that you joined me on the mat again today, and I'll see you again soon.